Here's another one of those recipes I found on the inside of the puff pastry box. So go ahead and follow the directions and make your puff pastry, and now we're going to make a white chocolate mousse dessert. So I've got some white chocolate melting with a 1/4 cup of cream, and when it's completely melted and smooth, I'll just take it off the heat and let it cool for 20 minutes. Now I chilled my bowl and beater in the freezer and added a 1.25 cups of heavy whipping cream, and now I will whip it until it becomes somewhere between the soft and stiff peak stage. Now I've got the cooled white chocolate and the freshly beaten cream, and what I'll do is I'll add about half the cream into the chocolate just to temper it, and then we'll fold in the rest of the cream and create our white chocolate mousse. Now go ahead and spoon that beautiful white chocolate mousse into the puff pastry shells, and it's really okay if it overflows. And we're not done yet. Now I melted just about an ounce of semi-sweet chocolate in my microwave oven, stirred it well, and now with just a teaspoon, I'll go nice and high and just sort of drizzle that chocolate over the puff pastry dessert. That's looking great. This makes a beautiful dessert, just as we made it, but I'll give you a hint. The mousse is even better one day later after kept in the fridge. Look at the different consistency. It's just a beautiful, nice mousse. Oh, you're going to love it. And you know what? It goes pretty good with a glass of Prosecco. So get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.